Well, hello, and welcome back to our Froggy Classroom. Today, we're going to learn about plants, what they need to grow, how they grow, and what makes them be able to continue to come back from year after year. So, you know that we started our garden out here, and it's done super well. In fact, everything's ready to harvest because it has three things that are important for their plants to grow. The first one is the sun. The second thing is water. We keep it very hydrated. Ooh, I like that word. Hydrated means that you have a lot of water in your system, putting water in your system. And then it also has soil, which has their food in it. So those three things are an absolute must for a plant to be able to grow and be healthy. So today I thought we'd maybe take a little bit of a trip and see exactly how a plant works. So let's go over here to our learning area and you can see, that looks like a building, a really big building. Whoa, it's a huge flower. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, I see some ladders in there. I bet we can go and explore. Who's ready to explore a plant? All right, well, let's start at the bottom because that's always where we need to go. So let's go down this ladder and see what's down here. Ooh, lots of brown down here. So I bet this is called the roots. And you can see all kinds of different paths, but there's water coming up into the roots. And you can see if you look here, it's, oh my goodness, it's going all the way to the top. So the roots pull in the water and hold them and store food and water to help the plant grow. And you can see some of the roots go very deep. Oh, this one goes really deep. And all the water is coming up. I think that's super cool. So the water comes up into the roots from the soil. And then it gets pulled all up through, oh, what's this called? The stem. The stem. Now, if we come back out here, we can see there was another part that we're going to miss from the inside, and that's the leaves. And what do the leaves do? They put their arms out and they collect the sun. They collect all of the nutrients from the sun and pull it into the plant for the plant to use. So we have our water that goes up, 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 because it has to help the entire plant. So we're going to go ahead and climb the stem and go into the flower. So here we have our flower here, and it's pretty and it smells nice, but here's these towers with little yellow bulbs on it. What are these? Well, this is pollen. And also, we also can collect seeds from in here. So you can see I have seeds in my inventory. So if I plant the seeds after the flower dies, what happens? It'll grow again next year. So we have the flower here. We have pollen and our seeds inside. We have our stem down here, a big long stem that carries all of our food up to the flower. And then we have our roots down here that pull all of the nutrients in the water from the soil. Now, if this were a plant that grew a vegetable or a fruit, that flower would turn into the vegetable or the fruit. And we learned that when we talked about pumpkins. Okay, so to review, we have the roots under the ground. We have the stem that carries the food up. We have the leaves that collect the nutrients from the sun. And then we have our flower at the top with our pollen and our seeds inside. Okay, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our little trip through the plant, our little tulip there. Too bad we can't pick it and bring it inside. I bet it smells beautiful. Well, until next time, keep hopping.